Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video today. Today, we are doing another exhaust video. I know, right? So, I got a new phone. I don't know if you can tell the quality is pretty good. And, so I lost a lot of footage that I've already filmed. It was about a bug reflector that I put on the 7.3. You know, the bug reflectors that go on the hood. So, I mean, it's not that important of a video. I mean, you just stick it on and it works like that. So, but, if you guys want to see that, I'll show it in the next 7.3 video. I'll just show you, like, I don't have a clip of the video that I filmed because I got a new phone because my other phone broke and they couldn't move my photos and videos to the other phone. We're still kind of trying to figure it out, you know, but I don't have any of the videos right now. So, we are making another exhaust video. It's not about the 7.3 this time. It's about the Ranger. You guys might have remembered I put a cherry bomb on my Ranger. It got a ton of views, so thanks for that. And it got like 2,500 views. That's a lot of views, guys. Thank you. But we're going to finish it off, okay? It's just been under the cab. It's kind of annoying. And we're going to finally finish it. And I'm thinking about cutting the cats off. So if we can get... I really want to do it. So if we can get 10 likes on this video, I will cut the cats off of the Ranger. There you go. I want to do it anyway, so even if this video gets 9 or 8 likes, or maybe even 1, I'm still going to probably cut them off. But I'm not going to do it in this video. I am going to in probably another video, but I will. I'll show you guys some exhaust stuff that I got. It's pretty fancy, actually. The Ranger, she's back, she's beautiful. I put a new battery in it, and that's the only thing it needed. I thought the starter was bad, but no, we're good. Here's the exhaust. So it's gonna be like that. It's not gonna be this long. We're cutting it about here. So it's kind of a waste of a pipe. But that's alright, because this was actually really cheap. This 4-foot long pipe was cheaper than a 2-foot. I mean, it was like a great deal. And this is probably the fan favorite right here. I mean, look at that. That's definitely gonna look badass. It's not coming out the back. It's not coming out after the it's not coming out here. Only that would look cool coming out right there. It's coming out right there. We're having side pipes like a Viper. Hell yeah. So it's gonna look like that. Isn't that badass? That is so badass. Alright, let's cut this pipe and then we're good. So guys, we got the clamp on. So the cherry bomb was coming a little loose, so we had to put a new clamp on it. We got the clamp on, cherry bomb to that. We're clamped on this 45-degree pipe. So now, stay down there. Now, we're gonna put this bad puppy on. And it's pointing right at the car, or the thing. Shit. Oh, shit. So last night, we tried as best as we could for now. It was getting kind of dark and late because of daylight savings, but that's what it looks like right now. It needs to be a little longer and shorter because it's pointing a little too close to the tire. So if we make it shorter and we make it a little bit longer by the Y pipe, it will come out right here, right where that is. And yeah, it is cracking right there. It sucks. This thing's a little bit of a beater, but it will look pretty badass with those exhaust pipe. But for now, that's what it looks like. Let's get fixing it. So I've thought about it for a while now. And we're cutting the cats off. We're getting rid of the cherry bomb too. I know, it's the coolest thing ever, right? But we're just gonna go straight pipe. We're just gonna go right straight through. It's gonna be awesome. Alright, now that I got that settled with, let's cut this motherfucker. Well, shit. There's 2 catalytic converters on it. And it's got a weird piping. So if I ever want to cut the cats off, it's going to be another project. Damn it. Well, that's alright. We can still cut... Well, we're not going to cut it off anymore. We're going to take the cherry bomb off, and we're going to put a straight pipe right there on it. So, here we go, I guess. Well... Good old cherry bomb is out. You know, that sticker that's starting to peel off is no longer on the truck. It's kind of sad, you know. I really liked that cherry bomb. But that's the straight pipe right there. That's a little rigged up with 2 clamps on it. It's about as good as I could do. Those pipes are screwed up, but yeah. And if you notice that I was a little sticker happy when I had this, this was my main truck. Kind of looks a little dumb, but at the same time, you know, I'm gonna keep it like that because it's hard tuned. Oh, what was I thinking? But it's got still cats on it. Obviously, I told you guys that because the cats are. It's weird. There's like a dual pipe down there. I don't know if you can see it. No, you can't. There's a dual pipe down there that's like going up to the headers and everything. So we're gonna have to figure out what to do with that. But for now, we're just gonna put this on. We're probably gonna have to shorten this pipe, but we're gonna see what it looks like. I know this video has been kind of weird, but this has taken 3 days and it's been just effed up for a little while. But we're gonna get it finally on, and we're just gonna rig it up as best as we can so it doesn't fall off, and hopefully this is the last day I'm working on it. Alrighty, all done. So she's not exactly how I wanted it. I kind of wanted it a little closer to here, and pointed a little. I want it longer and a little bit more narrow, but that's all right. We can fix that. I just want to get this video posted because I've been working on it, and it was supposed to be my Wednesday video, but you guys aren't getting a video on Wednesday because this thing took a little long, so that's why there's no video for Wednesday. But here we go. Let's start her up. First test. Here we go. It's gonna sound good, don't worry. Or as good as a 3-liter V6 can. Holy shit! That's loud. That's really fucking loud. I mean, I'm inside. I'm inside, but I'll give you a couple tap revs, little insy bitty little brum brum, just a little one of those, and then we'll go outside. But it's loud inside, I'll tell you that. Holy shit, I gotta come all the way over here. All right, let me set up my camera. All right, here we go. Like a son of a bitch. Sounds like it's got a big old cam in her. Big cam, 3-liter V6. I don't have something to put my camera on, so you're gonna have to listen. Jesus Christ! I don't know if you can hear that as good, but it just pops and crackles so much more. I mean, the cherry bomb, it popped and crackled, but this is fucking awesome. I do want to make it a little longer and a little bit more narrow, but I'll do that in a different video. This is pretty much done, or I might not even do it in a different video. I might just do it because I want to right now, but for now, the Ranger straight pipe is pretty much complete. Besides, it's got cats on it, and it's not perfect, but that's all right. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's the Ranger Danger, the beater. I'm just happy that I'm done with this. Actually, she is a badass truck, but man, I'm not gonna lie, this was too much effort just for that truck. I mean, it's a good truck. It's a good truck. I know everybody loves my Ranger. I mean, all of the videos on my channel that are like big views are the Ranger. That's just because it's a Ford fucking Ranger, you know, the TikTok meme, whatever. But the 7.3 is the main truck we will probably be focusing on, and that will be my winter truck because that rust is probably impossible to fix. So yeah. And now I'm gonna go home, see if it's quieter on the road because the cherry bomb was right under the cab and it was really annoying. So that will hopefully be a little quieter. I know it will still be loud, but hopefully it will be not as drowny in the cab, because it does get kind of annoying, just like every V6 fart can.